Hello friends, welcome to Sahur Studies. In this video, we are going to see how we can merge two tables in Spark SQL. So what I have done here, I have created one table. This is the name of the table and it has a 5 columns. This table is of delta type and I have inserted 5 records in it. Here I have created another table. It has the same sets of column. This is also a delta table and I have inserted 5 records in this table. So let me complete these two tables first and then we will see how we can merge these two tables. Let me copy, I will copy the code. Okay, first let me create a notebook. This is merge. Let me connect this notebook with our running cluster. Let me copy this code to create a table. It will save time. This is the same code which we have done in our previous exercise. Let me rename is AP employee target. This is a delta table. Let me run it. This table has been created. We can validate here. This is AP employee target. This table is available in default database. We need to insert some data. So we need to write the insert statement. I have created the insert statement to save time. Let me copy and let me copy from here and run it. Okay, this is a source. Sorry. So this is the target. We have created the target table now. So let me first run it. All the records are inserted. Let me do a select star from. So this is the same data which we have inserted here. Let me create another table. Let me rename this table from target to source. This is of delta type again. Table has been created. We can validate here. AP source, AP employee source. It is available in the default database. Let me copy this insert statement. Okay, all the insert statement has been run successfully. Let me do a select star from. So these are the same records which we have inserted here. Let's go to the PPT. Now we are going to merge these two tables which we have created. We are going to merge with the help of this merge command. So we are going to merge into AP employee source. So we are going to merge into this table. And what is the target table? By using this AP employee target. So all the records which is present in AP target, we are going to merge in AP source. And on what condition the merging will going to happen? Merging will going to happen on the basis of AP ID. This is the AP ID of employee source. This is the AP ID of employee target. If AP ID match, then what it will going to do? It will update. What it will going to update? It will update AP source dot AP name to AP employee dot target AP name. So what it will going to do? All the AP name which is present in the target, it will going to update in source table. AP gender which is present in the AP target, it will going to update sorry in source table. Same for salary, same for AP state, same for AP city. So if this AP ID matches the data which is present in the target table, that will going to updated in source table. And when not match, then what it will going to do? It will going to do a insert statement. Where it will going to do insert a statement? It will going to do insert a statement into AP source. So AP source table again. So one minute, just give me a second. So let's go to the Databricks and do this exercise. Here, what we are going to do? We are merging these two tables which we have created. We are going to do merge with the help of a merge into, where we are going to merge. We are going to merge into AP source, AP not target, AP source. Let me just copy the table. AP, this is AP target, this is AP source. Using which table we are merging it? We are merging with AP target table. On what basis? AP source dot AP AP ID equal to target dot AP ID. When it matched, when matched, then update set. Update set. What update statement we need to do? This AP source dot AP name would be AP target dot AP name. This is the first one. Let me copy. This is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. Let me just rename it. This AP name, this AP gender. Let me copy it, paste here. Then AP salary. Let me copy, let me paste here. AP state. Let me copy here and let me paste here. AP city. Let me copy here and let me paste here. When not matched. When not matched. If not matched, then what it will going to do? It will insert the records. Where it will going to insert? It will going to insert AP ID AP name, AP gender, AP salary, AP state, AP city. Values would be this only. So what this insert will do, it will going to insert in this table AP source and all the values take the value all the value from here AP target. Let me format this command say. This has been formatted. So what I am just doing, I am merging this this table to this table on the basis of APID. If it is matches, then it will going to update this source table, all the columns data which is present in this table, like AP name, AP gender, AP salary, all the columns data which is available in the target now, it will going to update in this source table. When not matched, if it is not matching now, so the insert in this source table all the data which is present in the target table. So let's run this command. So it's saying some error has occurred. Insert, what is saying here? Here it has problem. Huh? When not matched, then it is not inserting. What the mistake I have made? What the mistake I have made? What it is saying that syntax error near insert. Line 11 position 0 merge into this one. It is not saying much. It's saying that okay, sorry. Here no, when not matched, then here we need to put then condition, then insert. That's why it is giving error. Let me again format it. Here no, when not matched, then insert. This then was missing. That's why it was giving error. Let me run it. So it is saying that cannot resolve AP source in search condition given AP ID AP underscore ID cannot resolve source. AP source API ID is not there. Okay. What it is saying that cannot resolve AP source name AP ID. Okay, let me see AP source here. AP source dot AP ID. It is not getting resolved. This table is not available in the source. AP ID it is there. So AP ID. This is the source table. This is the AP ID. Why it is not? Okay. ST. Why it has come ST? Merge into. Let me run it. Why it has come ST? Maybe some typo has happened. Okay, so merging has been completed successfully. Let's see the content of this table. So let's start from we can see how many records are there. 7 records. If we go above, this AP source has only 5 records. So 3 records it didn't match here with the help of a AP ID. That's why 3 records have been inserted with the help of this sorry with the help of this insert statement. That's why it is showing 3 more records, 2 more records, and when matched, then each and everything has been changed. We can see city Gurgaon, Patna 1, it is matching, then it is Patna 1, Bihar 1, UP 1. We can see in the target. See, this is the target. What is the value of the AP state? Bihar 1, Patna 1, UP 1, Santosh Shah 1, like this. So if it is matched, we can see here some of the table, some of the value AP name is equal to AP Santosh 1. Here is Bihar 1, Patna 1, UP 1. So if it is matched with the AP date, AP ID in source table as well as in the target table, so all the data which is present in the target table have been updated into the source table like this. So we have seen in this table how we can merge 2 tables based on a particular column. If it is merging, then we can update the source table with the data which is present in the target table, and we can also, and if the data didn't match, then what we can do with the help of an insert statement in the same merge query, we can insert all the not matched data from the target table to the source table. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.